Alright folks, and welcome back to another episode of West of Loathing. When we last left off, we'd found the Stearn's ranch, and kind of want to head over there for this episode and take care of a little side quest there. So let's head over to the Stearn's ranch. There it is right there. So this is the Stearn's ranch. Of course, get needles from the haystacks. Let's talk to Doc. So yeah, the cows ran over this place, and oh man, looks pretty beat up. So head down to the cellar. Lead safe cracking. Yeah, I don't like that cow face graffiti either, to be honest. Alright, let's check upstairs. So, lockbox, we'll need lockpicking for that. We'll come back. Yeah. Grab some beans. And here we get Mary Stearn's diary. So, we read this diary, and it turns out that she was talking to her pet doll here, or her little doll. Having tea parties as all this stuff is going along. And the doll turns out is pretty creepy. Like the doll has the last word. Well, let's check in the toy box.
Hi, I'm Grace. What's your name?
I'm Gus.
Hi, Gus. You're nice. Do you want to play with me?
Yes, let's play.
Hooray, Mary used to play with me, but we didn't get to finish our tea party before she went away. Will you help me finish it?
Surely.
Hooray, the game is almost over. Mary did such a good job. Go downstairs and get my cup. Do you know the magic word to make the mean cow let you in the secret room?
Nope.
Peanut butter.
Alright. That was a thing. Hat, you got this? Peanut butter. So, I don't think we want to take this goblet. So we wreck it. And it eats the place alive. Great. So now we head back upstairs, and yeah, I don't think the doll's gonna like that. Let's go talk to Grace.
You'll live to regret this. Hee hee.
Oh boy. So let's nope out of here. But yeah, that's the doll, and that is the way to shut down the quest. If you follow it through, then the doll goes around on a murder rampage and whatnot. So we wanted to shut that down as soon as possible. And with that, our good deed is done. Oh, hello. We can just intimidate it. Hehehe. Alright. Yeah, we'll need to level that up so in case we run into any more goblins. But for now, we're done. Thanks for watching.